This is the Kineon Move Plus Pro. It is a red light therapy device and it's $700. So is this thing worth it, or should you stick to traditional pain management? Can this solve all of your problems? Today, we're going to find out. Now, the first question is what comes inside of the box. This is the Kineon Move packaging. I love that it comes in this sturdy box. And there's one thing on the outside of this box that I absolutely love. They really thought this through. It's a USB-C charger on the outside. So it's kind of like an AirPods case where you just put the device in here and then you charge it from the outside. I don't have to take it out and charge it. Inside, we've got the Kineon red lights with the diodes on the back. You can power them on and they charge easily inside of the kit itself. This is kind of built into the case. We have a zipper up here where we're going to get the cabling and the device that we put on to wear. You know, you put this on your knee, different parts of your body to help reduce pain. We'll go ahead and just slide the lights into here. Bada bing, bada boom. And then when we're ready to use it, you're going to place this on the body part that you need to help with pain. Actually, you slide in the lights this way, they'll click into place, boom, click into place, just like that. And then you can adjust it as needed in terms of the length. We'll go ahead and turn these on, press the power button, boom. And then the red light therapy is going to boot up. These might actually be out of battery. This is primarily built for athletes, active individuals, anyone who might have chronic pain, joint inflammation, overuse injuries, osteoarthritis, chronic knee pain, CrossFit competitors, weekend warriors, anyone with non-invasive pain relief or you don't want medication. And we'll have a link in the description. They did send this to me, but they're not paying to make this video. Now, the wavelengths they support, 660 nanometer red light. There's 8 LEDs per module. There are 8 LEDs per module. And then there's also 808 nanometer near infrared light, 10 laser diodes per module. There are 3 modules, as you can see right here, with 2 emission areas each. So these are the 2 emission areas, and there are 3 total modules, and you wrap it around. The optical power is a class 1, 5 milliwatt per diode and 50 per module. The red LEDs are 80 MW per emission area, and it penetrates about 5 to 6 millimeters in your tissue. There's a 4-hour continuous battery life, about 24 10-minute sessions. So it's about a week of daily use per charge. It takes about 3.5 hours to charge using the magnetic charging dock, which is right here. And it weighs about 1.74 pounds. So it is pretty light. It's Bluetooth enabled, so you can sync them all together. One button to control all 3 modules. It's FDA cleared for safety, not approved for specific medical claims. And then it comes with this travel case, which I think is super nice. It has an adjustable strap, a charging case, USB-C cable, user manual, and quick start guide. Now, you could also use classic red light therapy, but that's large and it's hard to carry and travel with you. Whereas this, it's very portable. I can go ahead and slide it in, charge it up, take it with me when I travel, place it on the area that I need to, and be able to walk around the house as I'm using it. So that's one of the benefits of using this device over others. It makes medical grade photobiomodulation portable and hands-free. The wearable design allows treatment during your daily activities without losing productive time. So I can wear this at my workstation, at home while I'm helping the kids or something to be able to reduce pain. It's hands-free mobility during treatment, so it just attaches to your skin without slipping. You can continue working, cooking, whatever it is that you need to do throughout the house while getting your red light therapy session. And it supports red LEDs and near infrared, so it's doing the benefits at the same time. And you can put it on multiple joints. It comes with a very nice USB-C cable to USB-A. I wish this was USB-C on both sides, but hey, nonetheless. Now when it comes to results, what have most people reported? 80% of users have reported pain reduction within 1 to 4 weeks. Some notice improvements within the first 1 to 3 sessions. Chronic conditions might require 4 to 6 weeks for the full benefits, but consistency is critical. You need to use daily use for it to get the best outcome. Pre-workout can help with some performance metrics, post-workout to reduce soreness and inflammation. And there's been some studies showing that red light therapy can reduce knee osteoarthritis pain. The effects can last 1 to 12 weeks after the treatment is ended, non-invasive with no known side effects, and it's used by physical therapists, chiropractors, and sports medicine professionals. Now there's some problems. What are those? Not everyone will see results. You know, some people reported no pain relief after weeks. It requires consistent daily use for 30 plus days to evaluate the effectiveness. So, as we know, most people in this world are not consistent with their habits. Some acute injuries might respond faster than chronic conditions, so keeping that in mind. And then it's designed for smaller joint, smaller frame users. The coverage area is a bit limited, so it's really best for knees, shoulders, elbows, where you can't really use this on your back, your neck. So it's really for specific areas, and you can't treat multiple large areas at the same time. That's what large red light therapy panels might be for. This does cost $700 for the standard package. There's an extender strap for $50 to $75 for back and neck treatment, sold separately. A replacement strap if it wears out for $30, and international shipping is $45 outside of the US. Now, is this actually worth it? Or if you're dealing with chronic joint pain, you've tried traditional treatments and you have no success, the Kineon Move Plus Pro could be the option for you. It provides that middle ground between expensive clinical treatments and then ineffective consumer devices This has the combination of LED and laser technology in a wearable format that's really innovative, and it might not be worth it if you don't have the discipline to use it consistently. So if you think you're going to use this, then get it. But if you're not, don't waste your time. But if you do, click the link in the description, use discount code Shervin, help support the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Subscribe. Peace.